By Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can combine shapes and patterns to create interesting brush strokes. Now, first thing to do, just going to go over to the tools over here, rectangle tool. I'm just going to go for ellipse tool, go for shape, and just go over here to the fill. And instead of using, say, a solid colour, you can actually use either gradients, and I'm going to use patterns. And the patterns I'm going to use are ones from Graphic Extras. It's a star, painted star designs, a whole range of different star designs. So I'm just going to select one of those, and what I'm going to do now, just going to quickly apply it, and I'm also going to set a stroke. So I'm just going to set the stroke to black and make certain it's got the correct stroke option, because there's quite a few options here. Sometimes, of course, it's quite nice to have a dotted brush stroke, but I'm just going to set the size as well, just a bit bigger than that. Okay, what I'm going to do now, just drag out there, and there you have it. You've actually got a basic start point for a brush. Now, of course, you could obviously change that. You don't have to go. That's the one thing about this little palette here. You can actually just select different brushes. So, of course, you could use any patterns, but that one's quite a nice one. So, right, once you've decided on that, also you can, of course, turn it into, so just go there, click that, go to layer, and smart objects, convert to smart object. What I'm going to do, you could apply effects, maybe blur, Gaussian blur, you should sort of blur that design. Maybe also another thing you can do, you can go to layer and layer style. Just go to stroke, drop shadow, just going to go that one. And I'm just going to add a shadow there, so I'm just going to drag that down a bit so you can actually see the shadow. Change the size slightly. Right, so now just change the opacity a bit so it's a bit darker as well. So click OK. So once you've actually done that, you can then go to layer and flatten image. Go there, select the rectangle marquee tool, and just now, of course, you can actually select part of the actual brush, this design. Do a bit of selection there. Right, I've got it over there. You can actually just select part of it if you wish, but I'd just actually like to have it sort of just so you've got some white all around there, so you've actually got no sort of edge to it. So once you've got that, just go to Edit and Define Brush Preset. Click OK. And of course you can actually, I'm just going to go back up there now. I'm going to unflatten that. And you can actually, of course, modify that slightly. Maybe create another brush stroke just by adding two of them, say like that. Drag, hold the Alt down, drag, so you can actually create another one, and just create that. Right, just put it there. Again, layer and flatten image. And again, just go over there and select all of that. And again, just to be careful, you don't avoid the seams, otherwise you'll end up with a brush stroke with a line in it. So you've selected all that, and then you just go to Edit and Define Brush Preset. So yeah. Now just going to get rid of all that, just go back straight to the, now just go to one of the brush tools. I'm just going to select that one, just go down there, and there you've got the brushes. So you can just select that one, and you can just apply it obviously with the current colour. And there's the other brush I just created. Again, down so you can actually see the brush stroke. A bit darker one just so you can actually see it. Right. And also you can go up here and you can select the one that's got the multiple elements as well. And of course you can, once you've done that, you can actually just click over, just click all the way around. Great for creating like textures if you're doing, say, 3D work or something. Just move that over the way so I can just go there. Right, and there you have it. Quick and easy way of creating some interesting brush strokes, and also potentially some textures for maybe 3D work, like overlays, etc. Hope you found this